Welcome! Today in front of me Realme 8i, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first of all, just go to the notification bar, and here on the left side you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on it to turn it on. If you want to turn it off, just tap again to this icon. So that's the first way. The second way is just go to the settings, and here you will see the Wi-Fi. So click on that, and here just tap on the Wi-Fi switcher. So here you will see now the available networks, and you can choose one of these networks. For example, I just will go, for example, with this one. Okay, I'll go into this one. So just you can type here the password. Also, if you'll tap on the eye icon, you can see the password. So now just tap to done, then one more time, and now it's connected. So like you can see. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.